Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 19th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Euro daily time frame chart at Zondacrypto, and we are looking at this chart because we are doing the scenario, we are doing the analysis of this market. So we are using what? Exactly moving average, 100 and 200 periods, and for now we have Japanese candlesticks on a daily time frame chart. Which one of these candles is particularly interesting? You can take a look here on this kind of a candle. As you can see, it's pretty interesting to spot that the high, of course, is made at the level of 28,260, but this candle closes in the middle, roughly in the middle of the spread between high and the low, right? So it indicates bearish pressure to the candle. It indicates that when the market went too far, too high in the very short time, then the bears started to making pressure on the market, and eventually it holds. It closes in the middle. You can see straight on that we have still inside bar of course this big candle, because it's a candle that made apparently, if I'm not correct, it would be like a 7 or 8%. Let me just take a look. This candle is apparently, there you go, 9%, right? So from the lows here, the market made 16%, and from the lows of the swing, which was made in the September, we already made 21%, just a little bit over 21% from this low. So I think that this low can be marked as very important one. Okay, so we will just make it, of course, green and make it thicker. Green and thicker, there you go. And we got, if we zoom out, we can see it, we got one more level here. There's nothing wrong with marking this one as well, so we can have a nice support level, and these two horizontal support levels, 23,337, 22,790, build as a very nice demand zone on a daily time frame chart. Now, what else do we have here is, of course, the high of the big candle up, made on the fake news, as you possibly remember, made on the fake news from the one of the Twitter account that was saying that Bitcoin ETF was approved by for the BlackRock. It turned out to be, of course, fake news. So 28,260, yes, 28,260 is the high of this candle. So we have a very, very big and wide area between lows and highs here. Okay, so right now, what else we can do is just to mark the last known swing high, because sooner or later it looks like this market wants to test it. However, it doesn't actually look like this market is fit enough, strong enough to do it. Why? Because this is the show of strength. This was the show of strength, bullish engulfing, big pimba. We went up, but this big shadow, upper shadow on this daily time frame chart candle is showing us bearish strength. The bears are in control of this market, regardless of the fact what you want to think of it. Let me just take a look if we are moving inside of the channel, because if we are, then no, we are out of the channel. So we are a little bit out of the channel. So there is no corrective channel. That's what I wanted to check out. Apparently, it still doesn't mean that this market will not test the highs, because if the 29,123 euro, this swing high will be tested, it might be rejected, and that would not be welcome for bulls, basically, because this kind of the rejection would be definitely bearish in the long term. Why? Because of the potential double top built on the daily time frame chart. Right, so that's the other scenario of what could happen on a Bitcoin to euro. Nevertheless, if we concentrate on the current price action, we can see that volatility is down big time. The market is making the inside bars, 1, 2, and possibly 3 inside bars already, and there is no follow up with this big spike to the upside. So it looks like this spike was made on the fake news, as we spoke about it, during the increased volatility and increased volume. However, there is no follow up, which means again this is most likely a fake breakout, fake movement to the upside. Okay, so please consider it when you will be doing your analysis, and if you see any sort of the big red candle to the downside, the odds for another extension to the downside are simply higher. One more thing that you see on this chart and we didn't spoke about is the negative cross or bearish cross. 100 periods moving average crossing from the upside the 200 periods moving average, and this bearish cross might indicate that bears are actually in charge of the market already, because it was made before this spike to the upside. So the odds for the market going lower from the current levels are higher than for the market going up towards the swing high and then breakout for another rally. So this is the situation on the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to the euro at the Zondacrypto exchange. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care, guys, and bye bye.